Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday, the 22nd of May. This is your weekly recap, and I'm shooting this early, guys, because it's almost 11 o'clock and I'm going to be running out the door for the long weekend. So, first thing to remember, everybody, it is a long weekend. That means when markets are closed on Monday, next week's a short week. It's a holiday week. Volume tends to be low. So, when we look at this week here, it's been a very, very whippy, choppy week. We're going to cover this very quickly today because we're still trading. But overall, right, we had the opportunity. We gapped up on Monday. We created a huge trap to shorts here, pushed above the 62.8% retracement. Tuesday, we closed on the lows looking weak, like, haha, we fooled you. And then we gapped up. And we've been trading in a very tight range for the last couple of days as volume has been coming steadily down as we go into the holiday weekend. So, again, I still think we need to test the 300 area and the 200 day. We'll see. What we do know here right now is that the market at this point is very, very choppy, and you need to be very, very concerned about what's going on um, with China and the headline risk there at this point as things seem to be ramping up. So, what was great this week, and let's just pull out some charts. It was not the easiest week in the world to trade. A lot of things worked or not. I had a fabulous week. I'm happy. Apple's still stuck, but holding in well above the 8-day. Popped at 320. Had a beautiful trade on that yesterday morning, but couldn't hold, but looks good. The Qs for the most part here continue to hold just a stone's throw from the all-time highs at 337.47, acting very well. Microsoft holding in, still struggling. Twitter on that flow gave a marvelous trade, holding up well here, just not ready to go yet. Maybe next week we get another pop. Facebook, the ones of you guys that caught this, gave a huge trade, a nice 2.5-day trade on that for you guys as well. NVIDIA for some of you guys paying the bills here this morning also after earnings. For me, I made a ton of money with Twitter. We traded Boeing and Google here. AMD was trading this week. We traded a lot of different names this week and all and over. Disney gave a nice trade this week as well. Bottom line, it was a very, very nice week. The only real loser was I got lost on an Apple trade, and I took a small loss on the last of my Visa calls that I had that would have worked if I just held on to them. But bottom line here is the market is showing that it's just doesn't know what it wants to do, and we just need to be a little bit patient with it. So for the rest of the afternoon, expect low volume. Generally, we melt up on days like today. So maybe when they get some of the selling out of the way, we melt up. Be aware of the close. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll let the algos and stuff pull things up all day long, and then they'll come in and smack everything down on the close and take profits. That said, I hope you guys all have a relaxing long weekend. I'll do some chart work on Monday for us. Enjoy it, relax, get outside, and I'll catch you guys bright and early on Monday.